What if the wildest predictions weren't accidents, but a script we were meant to follow? Picture this: 2026 bends the cosmos, and the Simpsons wrote the playbook. They've already predicted presidents, technology, and world-shaking events, and now 5 prophecies are colliding at once. Solar shields dimming the skies, a celebrity leader rising, elections in chaos, science unlocking the God particle, and global debts spiraling. This isn't chance. This is a roadmap. 2026 could bring apocalypse or awakening, with even stranger signals already pointing toward 2028. The question is, are we ready? Their visions are warnings, their clues a wake-up call. Stay tuned, because the stakes are cosmic and the future may already be written. Smash like if you're ready for 2026's truth, and drop your wildest Simpsons prediction or 2026 goal below. In 2026, the skies begin to darken. The Simpsons once imagined this in Who Shot Mr. Burns, Part 1, Season 6, Episode 25, where Mr. Burns blocks out the sun. What felt like a cartoon gag now feels like a chilling warning. Scientists are already exploring solar radiation management, a form of geoengineering meant to cool the Earth, but it could just as easily unleash climate chaos. Imagine endless twilight, crops withering in the fields, and weather patterns collapsing. The Simpsons have hinted at strange futures before, from smartwatches and Lisa's wedding to political upheavals, and many of those visions later became reality. Even Homer once panicked during a blackout in Marge vs. The Monorail Season 4, Episode 12, a moment that echoes how society might react if the sky itself turns against us. The question is no longer just science fiction. Will solar shields save us from disaster or push us toward it? When the skies grow dim, will we adapt, resist, or collapse under the weight of our own invention? The signs are clear, and darkness is coming. The only question is, how will we face it? In 2026, the Oval Office could deliver a twist straight out of satire. In The Simpsons movie, 2007, Arnold Schwarzenegger is shown as President of the United States, a moment that once seemed impossible. But with celebrity culture dominating politics, the rise of social media influence, and debates over constitutional changes, a superstar leading the nation feels closer to reality than ever. The Simpsons have predicted political upheavals before, most famously in Bart to the Future, Season 11, Episode 17, which eerily foresaw Donald Trump's presidency years in advance. Imagine the corridors of power filled with charisma and spectacle instead of experience and policy. Could a celebrity leader unite the country, or would it spark division and chaos? In 2026, satire may no longer be fiction. The Simpsons may have been warning us that the future of leadership could belong not to career politicians, but to performers, those who can captivate, influence, and shape the destiny of millions. Are we ready for a presidency scripted by fame? 2026 brings an election like no other, with the nation hanging in the balance. In The Simpsons' West Wing story, 2020, election chaos is on full display, eerily reflecting rising tensions over voter disputes and recounts reported in 2025. Imagine streets filled with protests as every vote is contested, trust in the system hanging by a thread. Candidates clash fiercely, misinformation spreads like wildfire, and fear ripples through communities, dividing families and friends. Electoral chaos could reshape democracy itself, challenging the balance of power and the faith citizens place in their leaders. Media battles amplify every claim, and uncertainty seeps into every corner of society. Will the nation unite to protect its institutions, or fracture under pressure? The clues are there, hidden in satire but strikingly accurate. In 2026, this may no longer be fiction. The Simpsons may have been warning us that the future of elections could be more volatile, unpredictable, and consequential than ever. Are we ready to face the storm? In 2026, physics could unravel in ways we never imagined. In The Simpsons, The Wizard of Evergreen Terrace, Season 10, Episode 2, Homer's blackboard hints at the God particle, a concept now mirrored by CERN's 2025 Higgs Boson breakthroughs reported in Nature. Imagine the fundamental code of reality itself being cracked, the building blocks of the universe suddenly within our grasp. The Simpsons have predicted technological leaps before, from virtual reality in The Ziff Who Came to Dinner, Season 15, to countless innovations, and now their clues point toward one of science's greatest mysteries. Will this discovery unlock unprecedented energy, cure diseases, or change the fabric of existence? Or could it destabilize the world, triggering events we cannot foresee? CERN researchers are cautiously optimistic, but the stakes are cosmic. The God particle may become the heartbeat of 2026, reshaping physics, technology, and society itself. The Simpsons may have been warning us all along. When science leaps, reality bends, and humanity must decide how far it dares to go. Are we ready to confront the secrets of the universe? In 2026, global markets could crash in ways that shake the world to its core. In The Simpsons Politically Inept with Homer Simpson, Season 23, Episode 10, Greece's debt crisis is eerily predicted, reflecting the turmoil reported across the Eurozone in 2025. Imagine banks teetering on the brink, stock indices plummeting, and ordinary people scrambling to protect their savings. Debt spirals fuel protests and unrest, governments scramble for solutions, and uncertainty ripples through communities as economies falter. Will one nation's collapse trigger a domino effect that destabilizes the global economy? The stakes are massive. Financial systems, governments, and everyday lives could be thrown into chaos. Supply chains may stall, energy prices soar, and fear grips markets worldwide. The Simpsons have a history of hinting at these economic tremors, showing us the fragility behind the numbers. In 2026, what once seemed like fiction may arrive as stark reality. Humanity must prepare, adapt, and act before it's too late. Are we ready to weather the collapse and protect our future? 2026's cosmic clash ignites. The Simpsons predicted solar shields, celebrity presidents, election chaos, God particle breakthroughs, Greece's debt spiral, and the power of your vision. Smash like and share to spread the signal, then subscribe to stay ahead of these prophecies. Pin your 2026 Vision Solar startup, political podcast, quantum lab, debt-free haven, and share it with the world. 2028 is looming. Stay alert, stay curious, and keep the cosmos buzzing. Simpsons fans, your journey has just begun. Stay locked in.